I'm Angela Henderson, and welcome to OWIS Newton, a place where learning is about creativity and collaboration. Every day is an adventure here, and every child's journey is celebrated. At OWIS Newton, learning is fun and meaningful. It is in the laughter of children exploring new ideas, the excitement of hands-on experiments, and the friendships that grow alongside their learning. More than classrooms and lessons, OWIS Newton is a vibrant, inclusive community where every child feels inspired to learn. Also, being in central Singapore means our students can explore nearby cultural and educational landmarks, making learning exciting and real. We believe in a balanced approach to education. Children spend about half of their time in core academic subjects and the other half in specialist lessons, including visual and performing arts. We offer second language options that include Chinese, French, and one of our more unique offerings, Japanese mother tongue. Choosing the right school for your child is an important decision. We'd love for you to visit and see the OWIS difference at our Newton campus for yourself.